Our brand is perfection, remember? We cannot let ourselves look weak to other overlords or to sinners. We are above petty bullshit.
Well, maybe people should start sucking less.
Or more.
Moving on. Now, as we all know, Charlie Morningstar recently proved that angels can be killed. And not just angels, the big motherfuckers, the big boys. Now, obviously, she's gonna plead innocent and play the "no, we should all get along and be friends and jerk each other off" card. But I think we can spin that. I think we can use the hotel's reputation and Hell's renewed hope and start a hell-wide uprising against heaven with us at the top, huh?
I know you won't believe this, but I don't understand.
Okay, from the top, and I'll try to go slow.